In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to invite someone to your Trello workspace step by step. Whether you are collaborating with a team, adding a client, or bringing in a new member to help manage projects, inviting people to your Trello workspace is quick and easy once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can follow along without any confusion. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, click on Boards at the top, or navigate to your Boards overview page. This is where you can see all the boards connected to your account and your workspace. Now that you're inside Trello, the next step is to access your workspace settings. Look for the Members option within your workspace. Depending on your layout, you may see your workspace name on the left sidebar. Click into your workspace, then click on Members. This is where you manage everyone who has access to your Trello workspace. Once you're inside the Members section, you'll see an option that says Invite Workspace Members. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the invitation panel where you can add new people to your workspace. Now here's the important part. In the Invite field, type the member's username starting with the @ symbol. For example, you'll type @ followed by their Trello username. As you start typing, Trello will automatically show matching users in a drop-down list. This makes it easy to find the exact person you want to invite, especially if you already know their username. When you see the correct person appear in the suggestions, click on their name to select them. Make sure you choose the correct account to avoid inviting the wrong person. If needed, double-check the username before moving forward. After selecting the member, you'll have the option to add a message with the invitation. This step is optional, but it's highly recommended. You can write a short welcome message, explain what the workspace is for, or give them context about the projects they'll be working on. Adding a message makes your invitation more professional and helpful, especially when inviting clients or new team members. Once you've added your message and confirmed the correct user is selected, simply click on Send Invite. Trello will immediately send the invitation to that user. They'll receive a notification and an email prompting them to accept the workspace invitation. As soon as they accept, they'll gain access based on the permissions you've set within the workspace. And that's it. That's how you invite someone to your Trello workspace quickly and easily. Just to recap, go to your Boards page, open your workspace, click on Members, choose Invite Workspace Members, type the username starting with @, select the correct member, add a message, and click Send Invite. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.